Something's going down right now. You know, it's a big win. Big wins. You know, that's what keeps us going throughout the day. So those wins, do a little small celebration. Kendra, Gary, we just funded your deal.
Yeah! Oh shit! Okay. Excited, you know. Every day has been a progress, you know. I bark at them every day, man. Fight clubs, those that know about Fight Club do not speak about Fight Club. So come on down if you want to join Fight Club. Thunder Hunt. Come on down if you want to join Thunder Hunt. Careers at thunderhunt.co. Come on down. We just fucking got a new office.
Hey guys, we're here in the office in Miami, Florida. I'm still waiting on getting this new office. It feels like it's been a fucking lifetime already. But everything should be in. I just gotta, we just gotta give the monies, and then we get the keys. But honestly, until we get the keys, anything can happen. Anything could go wrong, cause it's like not even. It's like so weird. The way that they do business here is. It's like relaxed. People take their time. It's Florida. It's sunny. So
slow ass motherfuckers.
But other than that, we got our junior funding deals, and our juniors are funding deals.
I'll go over this time at the time. If I'm taking my time from stopping my time from making money and invest that time to teach you what to do, you are gonna produce and you will fund. These guys have been here less than a month, and they've both funded 2 deals, and they're gonna get a decent check tomorrow. And they barely scratch the surface. So just keep in mind, there's a few small deals there, and then there's a few medium-sized deals, and then there's like 3 or 4 big deals every month. That anybody that's a salesperson in this industry, you should be kicking out. You should be having like 3 10K deals, 2 20K deals, 150K, and at least 3 or 4 5 to 3 to 250 funded to give yourself a good opportunity.
Hey, I have something for you.
He's always doing this to me. Going on a little trip tomorrow. It's not important. Just network with some buddies in the industry, New York, and I will be working. I'll be working out of one of those guys' shops that we fund out of, and pass by a couple of people, see what they'll contribute to Thunder Hunt, so we can better what we have here. Because we're not here to be stagnant as brokers and as a lender. We're here to unstagnate this game that is cash advance. It is a game. That's why I come, because I love to play it. And if you're good at it and you know what you're doing, you can make. All of my buddies are rich. All of my buddies, they're well off, and they all do cash advance. I don't think they're do any. I don't think there's anyone I know in this industry that's doing something on the side other than cash advance that gives them the majority of their revenue.
I don't like using the word easy, but it's literally like you fund a deal, you can make money on that same day. Every day you come into the office, you can make money. And and you might get rich from this industry, but without financial education, or maybe spending $935 fucking dollars on new fucking shoes.
Oh, sorry. That's why I work hard, and that's why I give my guys shit, because the things that I like, they like too. So if I can, structure them to think the way I think, then we're on the same page. That's what a mastermind is. A mastermind group is everybody thinking on the same page. One from this, kid that's, just focused, and I'm always excited to come to work and know that I have this person as my partner. He did something again today. He funded a deal. I know when he's working. He acts like he's not working. I know he's working, but he doesn't work. People just hit him up. Can I get more money? And he just basically hits up his investor buddies and hey, this deal we funded. Can we get more money? You know, he's so like quick.
That's what got me through 2020 was just the renewal business. Like I
swear, like I can vouch on that. Every fucking where we went, it was like a 5-star hotel. We have the penthouse. He's staying there. He'll be like, "Damn, I just funded another deal." I'm like, "What the fuck, bro? I've been with you for like 4 or 6 weeks, and I haven't seen you hit the phones. And every single day you've been getting a renewal." But I already know from prior of like working with him that I know how hard he works, and his pipeline is always ridiculous. That's working smart and hard. Because not only he's working smart, he's structuring his day, and he's staying late to make sure when tomorrow comes, whatever he's structuring for the day that's coming up, that he executes. Sick. That's why I love working with Dave. Sick. It's really, you know, we're looking for admin, we're looking for social media manager, and we're also looking for salespeople that want to go over and beyond. Like, another fact check. I'm about to go ball out in New York.
I saw this ad, like it was a recruiting ad for a local restaurant group in Miami, and it was like, we're always hiring, and that's literally us.
Yeah.
We're literally always hiring.
Yeah.
We're about it, and tonight is social night, so we're gonna go and socialize with the team and. careers@funderhunt.co. Email your resume, careers@funderhunt.co. Hey everybody, if you like that video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe and hit that little bell. That way you make sure you don't miss out on any of my future videos. We got a lot of content coming your way. Until next time, peace.